So it was that I mean, twice already in the season. This is a 2020 model. They say this is a 2030. It's actually did come out before we could see it, but this thing looks pretty cool, in my opinion. Now, what do I like about this machine is that it looks pretty simple. I mean, I know the wheels are kind of junk right now, but it's been like that ever since. It's a used machine, so it's not brand new. I mean, what's new about it is because you still get these at the store, you know? So I think the price on this one, I think like $25 or something like that. But I think it's you get this, you know, it just comes like the basic handle, and then sometimes it will come with this, like, you know, and then it comes with this handle. And then like the cord, it has a cord, but it looks pretty cool, in my opinion. But I wish the piece didn't come off because when you put it down, it just comes off like this. And basically, I'm just like this thing exactly, but it's not that bad. I mean, I do really love this thing, but you know, I expected this thing exactly. I do like this thing, but it's like it is pulling in right now, but I'm not gonna show it, but you know what it sounds like. But you can see how much I expected this thing exactly. I do like this thing a lot, and this video is every week. You see, except for Saturday, Sundays, but otherwise, but this is a really nice looking machine.